Okay, then that's why we try a different one. And then if not, if you don't like it, you can go back to your girlfriend.
First time she did it. You know, I'm doing like crazy stuff. White.
The one, the same thing, what color in the Christmas tree?
You're after this brand.
I love you so much.
I'll talk to you later. You know how to find me. Good morning, Philippines!
Don't you cry, somebody's got you. Giving up, letting go. Times we might feel compelled. Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control. When we feel like the world is against us.
Hi guys, good morning. Maga kami kayo nagising mga kaming sobrang aga. Ngayon is 6 o'clock na. Hindi ito pa rin suot ko. Tignan nyo. Pinapakain ang mga ibon. Yan yung mga gawain niya. Na ano yan sa akin kasi ilang 2 weeks. 2 weeks kung hindi pinapakain yung ibon. Na ano siya, bakit ganun daw ako kahit mga few minutes lang daw yung paglagay na yan. Hindi ko may lagay-lagay. Sila nakatingin. And that is right there. Hi guys, we are leaving. We are going to haircut for Tommy and get a lottery ticket, and then this window, I told you that it doesn't open. Tommy tried to look at it, it's still not opening. I can do it right here. I can just this right here, but supposedly over there also in the driving door area, supposedly you can do it yourself, but no, it doesn't. I'm going to change glasses. I'll use this later when we're out here. You know. Oh, you can do it now. It doesn't work before. I just move it up and down when you get out, and now it's working.
Well, that's why I put it down before. I figured maybe I would trigger it. Oh, like crap.
What do you want?
I guess I should save.
Go.
You couldn't even put the window down.
Huh? No. Are you kidding me? Whatever. I'm the one who helped you. I'm the one who put it up when you came out, and then when you do it again, it works. So it's not you, hon. It's me.
I don't want to
still.
put it down before you came out, so to make sure it would work. Hey, like that.
Lahan, where are you going? Why you have your signal, Tommy? You make these people crazy.
I think I just automatically put it down.
It's crazy. Oh my god. And you go here. Like, what are you doing here?
I don't know. You said I gotta go this direction.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at things when I go. This is a nice lake. Now, this is the house I have. Looking at the lake they got.
No, I don't like the house. I like the lake. I don't like the house.
I don't know. The house is kind of nice with it.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
This is a nice view of the river over here.
Yeah. Oh no. Shut on. Stay in your lane.
I'm fine. What was the problem?
Oh, this is the. Hold on.
One?
Is that the church?
Yeah, it's a church.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a church. 2 blocks and you're in.
My baby need a haircut.
How do you know what they charge?
What? The same thing what you went to the lady, remember? You don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's just like you go because it's a lady. Now you like doesn't
I
like to
didn't know
leave.
what it was. I just saw a sign there. It says $14.
Yeah, but at least this one is a guy. It's a barber. It's a barber
How do
shop.
you know it's a barber?
Because I just saw it's over there. It's a barber shop.
You just don't like me going to the other place because it's not a guy. I got it.
No, because you complained before the last time. Remember? You complained because you
I
did.
wasn't crazy about the way she did my hair.
Okay, then that's why we try a different one. And then if not, if you don't like it, you can go back to your girlfriend.
First time she did it. You know, I'm doing like since the first day we went there.
Because you give.
Well, I don't like you going here now.
Because he gave $10 tip.
Oops. Same thing I gave to the guys in Westchester.
You need
Same
more
thing.
5 to get the 2-person haircut. It's ridiculous. I understand you do tip, but $15.
Cheap as hell. Cheap.
Huh? No, that's an ugly Jeep. It's dirty. They should wash it. Honey, it's 55 over here. 55, yeah.
I don't think that window's working.
Huh? Do it again.
We tried.
Han, you did it. You lock. How did you lock it? Ah, you lock it over there.
Window lock.
Ah, that's why. What the freak? But you before doesn't work even
so
now.
your kids or your daughter can't like accidentally put down the window.
Ah, you do lock. I
There's a
got
way to
it.
lock the back doors too, so they can't open the doors with the hand.
Ah, I
You
don't
gotta
know
open from
that.
outside.
I don't know that.
Yeah, tricky. But that one, a little sneakier.
Hello, guys. I check. Hello, guys. It changed different, guys. It's different now, guys. Why is it
She
different?
threw it on the ground.
Hala, I dropped the camera, guys. Hala, I dropped the camera. I think it's broken. Nagka-problema ako nito, guys. Huh? It's warm? It's cold? Huh? What are you doing?
You don't have napkins, right?
No. I will look at you. It's right there. You want haircut or you want to go back over there? Oh, is it chocolate inside? Can I have it? No. It's cold? It's cocoa inside. Huh? It's good?
Have it.
No, go ahead.
I don't want to bite it.
No. Continue tayo, guys, about so nag-alala ako kasi yung flip ng camera ko, I open it up when I mount you over there and sa window. Luckily hindi lumipad yung screen. Kasi this screen is very sensitive. They only like put a little tiny screw in the back and yes, yun. Andun na si Tommy, guys, sa loob. Hindi ko siya makikita. Oh, magsha-shout ako, guys. Meron pa naman akong maraming isa-shout out pala. Ang daming isa-shout out. Doon sa laptop ko yung iba. Shout out to Flor de la Peña. Thank you so much for watching. Kay Rebecca Barakwil, Veronica Galicia from Bulusan, Sorsogon. Cecilia Torres, auntie ko siya. Hi, T. Cecilia. Salamat, T, sa pag-watch ng mga vlog ko. Thank you. Kumusta na po kadyong lahat dyan? And also hi to Emilina Pahares. And also hi sa family Basa and family Aguinaldo from Insamar daw and Isabela, especially Mama and Papa. This is from Kyla, only daughter. Hi kina Norma Baldiras. And also hi to Fatima Khan, Firanil family and De La Cruz family. Hi po sa inyo. And hi po to Nonalyn Pasikulan. Hello po. Cindy Limana. Hi po. Grace Iranso. Maria Larni Cosmi from Kuwait. Chris J. Jakalan. Hi po. Thank you so much. Hi po kay Christine, Secret Watcher. Ano ba yan? Almir sa Cavite. Almer, belated happy birthday. Hindi ko magets October 8. Belated na nga, belated. This is from J May. And yun lang, Tansa Cavite, Almer, belated happy birthday. Hi to Aryan Sabati. Charmaine Nava. Hello po, sis Charmaine. I've been watching this Prince Harry and Meghan's pregnancy news. Plus they are in Australia, New Zealand. You know, they're everywhere. And it's nice. Oh, Tommy's done with his haircut. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Let's see what he can think about this haircut thing. And that was quick.
Yeah, I'm the only one there.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm the only one here.
Oh, you're the only one?
Just 2 guys who work there.
This is nice for dogs. Hala, nabuang naman yung akong camera, eh. My camera is going cray-cray. Hala.
Yeah.
I like that. Let me see. No, it's big.
No, this one's too big. Yeah, a small one. This one's...
Dito kami sa dollar stuff, guys. Dollar store. No, I'm with... the light is right here, oh. It's right here. Dollar store. Pero hindi siya dollar, guys. This is dollar store, but it's not dollar.
It's not a dollar store.
Oh. Nagbago talaga yung camera ko, guys, ha?
It's an outlet store.
My camera is not... It's ruined.
White.
The one, the same thing, what color in the Christmas tree?
White. These. Oh no, these are that kind of lights. Forget it.
No, what kind of light is that?
Icicles.
What is this? A Merry Christmas something. Naghanap ako ng mga damit, guys. Barato lang, guys. Mura. Meron silang mga $1 stuff over here. What size you looking?
I'm looking for small for you.
For me? No, I don't want it.
Need to be nice and warm when you're freezing. Feel how heavy they are.
No, it's 30, but 25 bucks.
Very
now.
heavy.
No, I don't want it.
$23.
Yeah, I don't want it. Thank you, no. If I get one, I really should get the other one now, but no. Ito yung hinahanap ko, guys, oh. Yung sa Christmas tree sa ilalim. Huh? What dimples? What about dimples? Ay, han.
You keep talking about putting in a cage for that one.
Cage at night? No, look at it right there. And 12 bucks. Can we get this?
Alright.
Because we don't have one.
This is not a zipper.
Nakahanap ako dito ng mga magagandang sweater, guys. Mga katulad nito sinusuot ko. Ang mura, guys. Mga 7, 10. At ito din, mahal itohan. This is expensive if you go to Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like 60 bucks. But this is like 12 bucks. Get it for your mother if you want.
For you?
No.
Why? You like socks. The ones
Can-
you'd be wishing you have.
Can you look? Can you see what you... Look, did you see that? Nice too, right?
You're asking me what I wouldn't. I mean, you like the Santa Claus face, that's fine.
Look, what did you see the picture?
But hon, you get the one you like. What do I care?
Of course you care.
I don't. Honestly, don't care.
Oh, this is nicer though, but it slide. Let me see under it. Oh, this one won't slide. I'll get this. You know your kids. Hi guys, ito pala yung mga binibili namin, oh. Ito Christmas lights. Kasi yung Christmas tree wala ng kuryente. I mean, kuryente. Yung light hindi na gumagana, so ito binibili namin. Para doon sa ano. 3 box. Ano lang siya, guys? $4.99 lang siya. Mura lang siya, $4.99. Ay, hindi ito pala, guys. Iba pala to. Para ito sa labas daw, sabi ni Banana. Ito yung para sa Christmas tree. Ito siya. 3 nito. Ang dami palang kinuha ng asawa ko. Kaloka. So, ito siya. Hala, ang daming kinuha pala niya. Uy, ito talagang asawa ko. Kaloka, oh. Para sa akin ito. Pangbahay ba? Ito din, mura lang din ito, guys. $2 lang to siya. And another lights. Merry Bright. 50 LED lights. And finally, nakabili na ako ng ano, yung parang pambaba sa Christmas tree sa baba. I-ano mo siya, pang tabon. Meron na ako. Yeah. Mura lang ito. Pag binili pala ninyo ito sa ibang tindahan, ang mamahal, guys, mga 40, 30 ito. Bumili din yung asawa ko yung pang blanket sa biyanan ko, blanket para sa kanya to. Mura lang yan, guys. And bumili din dami ng raincoat. Sa kanya to, guys. Ang ganda pa, 15 lang siya. Ang kapal din, ang kapal. So, ito, guys, kung bibilhin mo ito sa ibang lugar, makapal siya, mga 20 plus. Pero ito 10 lang. 10. The same thing, pero iba-iba color. So, kinuha ko to para sa biyanan ko. Ito, binili ko to para sa kanya. Mura lang ito, mga 7 something. Ito din guys, alam niyo ba magkano to? $7. Iwan ko kung bakit mura siya. Pajama ng asawa ko. What are you doing? You sleepyhead over there? You sleepyhead? Are you sleepyhead? Just, alay. Sleepyhead, look at it. Alay. Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead. Hala pa diha.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down. Break. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Both sides could agree on was an expert. Just like this. Act on these impulses. Some people just talk about suicide.
We wouldn't be here if you had a deal. What's your offer?
Intensive supervision. He was out of school zone. He was in the Your activist friends over a test case they can use for fundraising or client.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days.
Ito yung mga ginagamit ko na land guys, na bili-bili ko sa Costco. Ito siya oh. I don't know kung makahanap ba kayo, masarap ito guys. At saka very as in yammers.
But it doesn't mean I lost my darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts.
Oh yeah, that's the skirt. Yeah. So guys, look, the Christmas tree guys, may light doon na hindi gumagana. So I'm gonna add something over there. So yeah, and my fireplace because time is cold. The pasta, I don't know if we have extra container.
This game is all about choices. So the bucket choices. Watch the whole season. Follow my favorite team or my favorite player. Watch on my phone. My TV.
Hi guys! Oh my god. 8:25 na ng gabi. And katatapos lang namin nag-dinner na long time ago. And then katatapos ko lang din nag-wash ng mga dishes. Tapos na din, pero grabe yung mga kalat dito sa ano. Kalat to, mga boxes. Diyan pa, Christmas. And happy ako sa, kahit hindi kami bumili ng Christmas tree, at least nakabili kami ng lights. Happy din ako. And yun, may box pa doon kasi hindi pa ako tapos. No one can take my baby stuff. Oh my god, no, hindi. No, I love this guy. I love this guy so much. I love you.
We need a shave. I love you too. You're old, grungy looking.
He has a new haircut. Say hi to them. You never say hi to them.
Hi guys. Sorry, I'm pounding at it all day.
Yeah, he has a really bad headache, guys. I love this one right here. Right here. Right here, guys. Right here.
Can I ask you something? You're all church-going folk. I really want to ask you something. Do you think God knew what he was doing when he created?
Fun?
The world never stops. It's constantly changing. Evolve, moving forward.
He's nosy. He's being nosy, oi. And I like when he does that because his leg. My baby is going to the other house.
Well, Roxy really wants to go by. She's upstairs.
Oh,
Roxy.
Roxy's upstairs already?
Yeah, she didn't want to take a bite. She just walk up the stairs.
He's already upstairs. That's so weird. Why?
MaryAnn. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, me too. I really need a couple weeks off. Oh shit, where's my phone? Fuck.
Look at you. How Roxy's down there? Why do you say that?
I didn't say she was upstairs in the room. I said she went up the stairs. She
Ah.
wasn't waiting for me. She's like, screw that. I was trying to say goodbye to her. She just kept going up the stairs.
Okay then. That's a cute movie, Han.
Yeah, I told you about it.
I love you. Wait, the crackers of your mother, huh?
What?
The crackers.
This is crumbs.
I love you so much.
I'll talk to you later. You know how to find me. Guys.
Hello, they left already. There are away. And I'm going to end this video, guys. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time. And yes, I will see you guys in my next one. And yun guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm happy that I have a Christmas tree. Meron na tayong Christmas tree dyan. And so yun, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye. Good night.